So now we're going to do it again for the next one. So again, to start off your formulas, first thing, if you want to fill it in right away, tell me what the first term is. Next, we're going to figure out two pieces. We're going to have an equals, and we're going to find some number, and it's going to be times an minus 1, and then plus or minus some other number. So in order to figure out the multiplying piece, we're going to take what we call successive differences. So we're going to take two numbers that are next to each other in the sequence and subtract them from each other. So again, I'm going to do the right number minus the left number, and I get 8. 11 minus 3 is 8. Next numbers that are next to each other, so the 11 is getting used twice because it's next to two different numbers. Just make sure you go in the same order again. The right number minus the left number, I get 32. Next two numbers, right number minus the left number, 171 minus 43, I get 128. So again, this always forms a geometric sequence. So what is the pattern here to get from one number to the next? Geometric means that it's definitely multiplying, and in this case, we are timesing by 4. So the an equals is going to be 4 times an minus 1. So now we're done with all of that work we just did. So we're going to go back to our original sequence and start timesing by 4 like we said is going to happen. So if I take the first number, 3, multiply it by 4, I get 12. However, the next number in the sequence is supposed to be 11, not 12. So what do I have to do to 12 to make it an 11? Minus 1. So let's see if it works again. If I take the 11, times it by 4, I get 44. I really wanted the next number to be 43 in the sequence. So let's see if that same minus 1 works again. And it does, if my pen worked. So you can continue to check the pattern to make sure that it works. 43 times 4 should get me 170. That did not work. Should get me 172. Minus 1 gets me 171 like I wanted. So these are all getting you those next terms. So we just have to add in on the back minus 1. And here is your recursive formula. If we wanted to continue the pattern, we could. We would just keep moving down the line by timesing by 4, subtracting 1. Times by 4, subtract 1.